Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2020 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. This comes in a blue exterior, and we've got a black interior. Also notice blue stitching throughout the vehicle, including on the seats here. We do have power seat controls here with lumbar support, sunroof. This is a hybrid vehicle, currently at 28,322 for mileage. We have a push button ignition. And here is our display loading up. All right, there we go. Okay, so touchscreen display, currently showing our radio here. Does not currently have a navigation app installed, but does support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So as long as you have your cell phone, you can just plug it in via the USB connections and use it that way. Backup camera here. Below your display is climate controls, including heated seats, both driver and passenger. We've got our shifter here, as well as adjustments here to switch between different sport modes. Now we'll take a look at our rear seats next. Quick peek back up front. And coming around to the back, we've got our Toyota RAV4 Hybrid XSE badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close. Now if you're interested in getting additional information or scheduling a test drive of this 2020 Toyota Hybrid RAV4 XSE, and this nice blue exterior, you can just reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com.